Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use WidgetSmith on iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Firstly, you have to open your WidgetSmith. As you can see guys, I have created some widgets for my home screen. Here is small one, small two. So you can also select or add small widgets from here. Just simply tap on this and you can use your widgets from here like this on this day, photo day and date. And you can also select your photo from here like this. Just simply select your theme from here like this. You can also use photo filter from here. So firstly you have to select your photo like this. I'm going to select this one. Okay guys, so you can use photo filter from here. Okay guys, and you can also use theme from here, and you can also use widgets from here. If you want to add your photo, then you can tap on auto photo and you can add your photo. Okay guys, just simply tap on save. Now as you can see guys, I have created three small widgets. Now as you can see guys, I have created three medium widgets, 1 2 and 3. Now as you can see guys, this is blank. I'm going to select for this one, and you can select your photo from here, photo of date or photo day and date, or photo fairy time, photo countdown. And you can also customize your photo from here. Tap on photo and you can also use your favorite photo or your gallery photo. So now I'm going to select this one. Clock style, you can also change your style from here like this. Hand type, you can also select your hand type from here. Just simply tap on save. Now as you can see guys, I have created three medium widgets. So you can also select large widgets from here. Okay guys, now I'm going to select uh, large number one. As you can see guys, I have created two or three. Now I'm going to select this one. So you can select photo from here, tap on this like this. Going to select this one. Okay guys, just simply choose photo filter and here is your theme. You can also select your theme from here like this. Just simply tap on save. Now as you can see guys, and these widgets are for home screen. So how can you use for lock screen? Just simply tap on lock screen and here you can uh, add text widgets. Okay guys, you can text customize your text from here. You can write something for your widgets, so you can use from here. Here is your circular widgets. Okay guys, here is your rectangular widgets. Now I'm going to select rectangular widgets. Tap on this. Now tap on theme. Now tap on this. Now select your widget from here. Now I'm going to select for time, location, time format. Tap on save. Now as you can see guys, these are rectangular widgets and these are circular widgets, and these are text widgets. So you can add your favorite text from here. Just simply tap on add text widget, and you can also use symbol for this. Just simply tap on symbol and you can also use symbol for your text widget from here like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Just simply tap on save. Now these widgets are for lock screen, as you can see guys, so you have to remember these. And these widgets for home screen, as you can see guys. Small, here is large, sorry, here is large and here is medium. Close this page from here. So how can you use them? Just simply hold your home screen, tap on plus here, and here search for WidgetSmith. And here is your small. If you want to add small widgets, just simply tap on small. As you can see guys, here in my small widgets, just simply tap on this. And if you want to add another small that you have created, just simply tap on this and tap on add widget, and just simply tap on this. As you can see guys, I have created three small widgets. So now I'm going to select number one here. Here is my number one widget. If you want to select another one, just simply tap on this and select number three. Here is your number three widgets. Okay guys, and if you want to add another one, just simply tap on plus and just simply search for WidgetSmith, and you can select your medium widget from here. Here is your number one medium widgets. Just simply hold this one, edit widgets, tap on this, select number two if you want to add number two. Okay guys, and if you want to add large, just simply tap on this, add, search for WidgetSmith, tap on add widgets. As you can see guys, I have created this one. Okay guys, and if you want to use on lock screen, just simply hold this one, just simply tap on customize, just simply tap on this, tap on widgets from here, tap on add WidgetSmith, and here is your circular widgets. So you can use your circular widgets that you have created. As you can see guys, I have created this one. Now let me show you here. Tap on this again, tap on WidgetSmith. Here is your rectangular widget. Okay guys, just simply tap on this. As you can see guys, here is your rectangular widget. Okay guys, so you can select widgets by following this way and just simply tap on add, and after that your widgets will be added on your home screen and last screen. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.